Hello, my name is Jason Poole, and this is my science project about companion plants. In the middle column, we have the title, Companion Plants, the problem, the hypothesis, the materials, the procedure, and the conclusion. On the left side, we have the graph, a picture of me measuring the plants, and a close-up picture of the plants being measured. And then on the opposite side, we have the table chart. We have a picture of me watering the plants, and we have a close-up of the plants being watered. Okay, so the problem. How does the type of plant sunflowers are grown with affect the rates in which the sunflowers are grown? Okay, so I chose this one because if different plants can grow faster because of other plants they're grown with, then that could also help farmers and other things grow plants faster too, with more important plants that are more needed. Hypothesis. I believe that different types of plants grown with sunflowers will speed up the time in which it takes for the sunflowers to grow. I did find evidence of stuff like this happening, where other plants paired with different plants grew faster and also became stronger because of it. But I haven't seen that much with sunflowers, but I have found evidence that it could work with sunflowers. And then the materials. 12 sunflower seeds, 12 pea seeds, 12 sweet pea seeds, 12 bean seeds, 12 garden pots, garden soil for the pots, 4 plant labels, sunlight of course, and also water, as you could guess. The procedure. Separate soil into 12 different pots. Put 1 sunflower seed into each of the 12 pots. Separate the pots in 4 groups with 3 in each. In the first group, put 1 bean seed in each pot. In the second group, put 1 pea seed in each pot. In the third group, put 1 sweet pea seed in each pot. And the fourth group should stay the same since you already put sunflowers because of step 2 from it. And then step 8. Water the plants each day for 31 days and leave outside. Measure the plants for each day and record them. And we're going to record it for the graph. On the left column, we have the graph that has the line graph. And it has the average amount of sunflower growth in inches for each sunflower for 30 sunflower plants for the 31 days. So since there's 3 sunflowers in each group, 3 plants in each group, I added each days, not each day, but one day at a time, I added the 3 plants together, their heights, and divided that by 3, and did that for the 31 days, and did that for the 4 groups, and that's what my data chart is measured with. And then the data chart. I did this one a little bit different. It has weekly growth average in inches, where week 1 starts with days 4 through 11, week 2 starts from days 11 through 17, week 3 starts with days 18 through 24, and week 4 starts with days 25 through 31. I did this because you can't really divide 7 with 31, and what I did was I used the averages for each of the other ones from that, added the 7 days for those for each category, and divided that by 7 to get the average, and kept on doing that with each of the 4 different groups. Conclusion. I've concluded that in my project, I've seen that planting different plants with sunflowers have caused the sunflowers to grow faster than the sunflowers did without a paired plant in it. I did not find any problems with carrying out the experiment. If I was able to do the experiment again, I would have had exactly set a limit of 28 days rather than 31, because then I would have exactly 4 weeks instead of 4 weeks and a little extra days. And this would help me be more accurate when I do the table and the data chart next time. And that's the end of my project. I will send some extra information and close-ups of what the project looks like on Google Classroom, so that you can read those yourself and not see this blurred video. Bye, and give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Just kidding.